Add and subtract polynomials. Problem number 8. If x is the first consecutive even integer, write the sum of 3 consecutive even integers and simplify. So first of all, we need to know what are 3 consecutive integers. 3 consecutive integers are, for example, 1, 2, 3. So they are consecutive in order, starting at some number, in this case 1, and then continuously going up. But in our case, we are not asked for 3 consecutive integers, we are asked for 3 consecutive even integers. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, and so forth. You're basically counting by 2. So 3 of these numbers, starting with the smallest, 2, we would have 2, 4, and 6. And remember, these are only examples to help us understand how to set up this problem. So let's assume that x is the first consecutive even integer. Then x should be 2. Now to get to 4 using x, we would have to add 2. And this is if x is equal to 2 and we add 2, we'll get our desired answer 4. So for the next one, to get 6, we would have to add 4 to x if we're assuming that x would represent 2. So this means if x is 2 and we add 4, we will get our answer to be 6. So now the problem says to find the sum. The sum means adding those terms together. So we have x plus 2 plus x plus 4. Now, because we're talking about the sum and addition signs, which means nothing changes, we could just drop the parentheses and we have our expression. Now, we always have to check if we can simplify, and as you may notice, there are like terms. Like terms are variables with the same degree, and in our case we have x, another x, and another x, and we can combine these by adding all of them, and we can add imaginary ones if we like, if that helps. So we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3x. Now we also have 2 additional like terms, which are constants, and when adding those two together, we get 6. Those 2 terms are simplified completely, so this would be our answer to this problem. You can actually verify your answer by using 3 test numbers, and in our case we can use 2, 4, and 6. Remember, the problem asks to write an expression that would represent the sum of 3 consecutive integers. So using these 3 numbers and adding them together, we get 12. Now, using our expression that we have came up with, and x we said was 2, so plugging in 2 for x, we should get 12. So let's see, 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 plus 6 is indeed 12. So this is just a little way to check if you got the right answer in case you are not sure.